Hey, what's up guys? You can see I have this mess of cables under my standing desk here, so I was super excited when the manufacturer contacted me and wanted to send me this cable management system for free so I could give it a shot and let you know what I think. So for this video, what I want to do is do a quick unboxing so you can see everything that's in it. Then I'm going to go under my desk and show you the process of installing it, set everything up, do the cable arrangement, and then let you know overall what I think about it, the process and how it looks and all of those types of things. So go ahead and start with the unboxing. Okay, so you flip the box open, you can see what's on top here. So manual, looks like the hinge and mounting bracket here. I'm not positive, we'll see for sure in a minute. A couple of screws here. Think this might be a piece that stays on the floor. We'll figure that out in a minute too. Some other pieces, and this is the actual full spine of the organizer here. So you see quickly how it works. It's really flexible in there, and then it has these little slits in the fin so you can slide your cables in and hopefully they shouldn't fall out. So again, this is the cable management spine. I want to take it out, just show you the whole thing. So I read the instructions real quickly, and it says this is about a little over 4 feet here. I didn't realize, so when I showed you up close in the unboxings, I mentioned the fins, but it actually has them on both sides, the front and the back. So I really like that. So you can have your cables organized on either side, depending on whatever your setup situation is. So now that you see that, I'm going to go ahead and go under the desk and start the installation process. Okay, so for the first step of the install, it's to mount this bracket to the bottom of your desk. So you just want to make sure that the screws aren't too long. I believe the instruction said like 0.7 of an inch. No, mine is a little bit close. I think it should be okay though. So you see the 2 screw holes. You can kind of choose where you want to put it. I have this cable management hole, so I'm just going to go right in the middle of my desk. So go ahead and you can see, watch me mount this. So the next step in the instructions is to grab your spine and connect it to this bracket piece. Quick look of the spine end up close. You can see these are hollow. You can see the directions of these slits. And this is one of the connector pieces that it comes with. So that just simply, you'll take one of them and one will go here, and then the other one goes into your top. Grab another one of these, line it up, and then you squeeze those together. That's really simple. That's attached there. For the next step, you attach the base to the bottom of the spine. So this is weighted, it is pretty heavy, and it's the same process. And squeeze them together, and then that's it. You have the option if you want to cut these and shorten them. For now, I want to leave it since it is an adjustable height desk. So now I'm just going to quickly clean this all up so you can see what it looks like at the end. Just so you can see, I want to show you how easy it is to put these cords in here. I'm going to take this out and actually do it on the back side of the spine since you can use either side, but you won't be able to see me do that part of the process. So I just wanted you to see how it will look and how easy it is. Okay, so I took some time, got all my cords shoved in here. I can tell you I'm super impressed. If you can just kind of see the bunch of cords I have running in there. There's all kinds of different cords, power cords, phone chargers, data cords, like all kinds of stuff running in there. And I got them all neatly tucked into the back. All I have left down here is some of like the my big computer, like power reducer or inverter boxes, whatever you call them. So I kind of tried to neaten those up a little bit, but this thing, it made it so much easier and look so much better. And I just love the amount of space inside of these fins to hold all of those big cables as opposed to some of those little ones that just are meant to kind of like just hold a couple of small cables together and hide them. So this just made it really easy and it looks really nice. So happy about that. So, and what we have right here is with the desk all the way extended. You can see I still have a little bit of slack here, so my desk can't go any taller. So this is definitely, you know, all I needed, or even a little more than what I needed. So I'm going to leave it there, stand up, and just show you the desk lower and raise so we can see how it falls and how it affects the cords. So now let's get a look at what happens when we lower the desk. So that's all the way down. You can see it did exactly what it was designed to do. It curved, it kept the cords all nice and neat. So does exactly what it's supposed to. Everything seemed to stay in place just like it's supposed to. Really thankful again to the seller for sending this to me. I'm overall really happy with the quality. I showed you everything went really smooth and it looks really nice. It feels really nice. And overall just makes my workspace feel better. So really happy about this product.